Now for question number 8, we need to find a counterexample to show that the following statement n square plus 3n plus 1 is prime for all n belongs to n is false. Substitute n is equal to 6 as a value, then the expression n square plus 3n plus 1 equals 6 square plus 3 times 6 plus 1, that equals 55, which is not a prime number. Now for second part, use algebra to prove that for all n belongs to n square minus n is not a multiple of 4. Now consider an even number 2p. Then the expression n square minus 2 equals 2p whole to the power 2 minus 2. That equals 4p square minus 2. It's not a multiple of 4. We need to solve the trigonometric equation sin x tan x equal to 5. Now rewrite tan x as sin x by cos x, then left hand side equals sin square x by cos x equals 5. Now crossing, sin square x equals 5 cos x. 1 minus cos square x equals 5 cos x. Now rearrange to form a quadratic equation in cos x. It's cos square x plus 5 cos x minus 1 equals 0. Now solve by using quadratic formula. Cos x equals minus 5 plus or minus root 29 by 2. We got one value of cos x as minus 5 plus root 29 by 2. Next value as minus 5 minus root 29 by 2. As the value of cos x ranges between minus 1 and 1, this value can be discarded. Then cos x equals 0.1925. That equals 78.9 degree. Now next value of x is given by 360 minus 78.9 degree equals 281.1 degree. Now here is a graph of the function y equals a times sine of 2 theta minus 3 pi by 8 plus 2. Then we need to calculate the value of a and the exact coordinates of q. Then find the value of theta at r. Now at the point P, the value of 2 theta minus 3 pi by 8 equals pi by 2. Also it is given that y coordinates of P is 7. Then now the equation becomes 7 equals a sine pi by 2 plus 2. Then we got the value of a as 5. Hence the equation becomes y equals 5 times sine of 2 theta minus 3 pi by 8 plus 2. Now at the point Q, the value of 2 theta minus 3 pi by 8 equals 3 pi by 2. Now solve for theta. 2 theta equals 3 pi by 2. plus 3 pi by 8. That equals 15 pi by 8. Then theta equals 15 pi by 16. Then the corresponding pi value is given by 5 sine 3 pi by 2 plus 2. That equals minus 5 plus 2 equals minus 3. Hence the coordinates of Q is given by 15 pi by 6 and minus 3. Now at this point R, 2 theta minus 3 pi by 8 equals 3 pi. Now solve for theta. 2 theta equals 3 pi plus 3 pi by 8. That is equal 27 pi by 8. Then theta equals 27 pi by 16. Then we got the value of theta as 5.51 radian. For 10th question, the figure shows a sketch of the graph with equation y equals 1 by 2x square plus 1458 by root x cube minus 74. And it is given that P is the only stationary point on the curve. And we need to show that the x-coordinate of P is 9. Now rewrite y as 1 by 2x square plus 1458 times 1 by root x cube equals 1 by x to the power 3 by 2. That equals x to the power minus 3 by 2 minus 74. Now since P is the only stationary point on the curve, the coordinates of P is given by dy by dx equals 0. Now dy by dx equals 1 by 2 times derivative of x square is 2x plus 1458 times derivative of x to the power minus 3 by 2 is minus 3 by 2, x to the power minus 3 by 2 minus 1. Now let us do the simplifications. That equals x minus 2187 x to the power minus 5 by 2. Now dy by dx equals 0 implies x minus 2187 x to the power minus 5 by 2 equals 0. Now x equals 2187 x to the power minus 5 by 2, which implies x by x to the power minus 5 by 2 equals 2187. Now x to the power 1 minus 5 by 2 is x to the power 1 plus 5 by 2. That equals 2187, which implies x to the power 7 by 2 equals 2187. Now take 2 by 7th power on both sides. We got x equals 2187 whole to the power 2 by 7. That equals 9. Now substitute the value of x equal 9 in equation y equals 1 by 2x square minus 1458 times x to the power minus 3 by 2 minus 74 1 by 2 times 9 square minus 1458 times 1 by 9 to the power 3 by 2 minus 74. Now that equals 20.5. Now let us calculate the area of shaded region. The coordinates of P is given by 9, 20.5. Now the limits of integration is given by 4 to 9. If you take the integral 4 to 9 y dx will be the area of this portion, that is the area under the curve. Now area of shaded region is given by area under the curve minus area of this rectangular region. That is required area equals integral 4 to 9 y dx minus area of rectangle ABCP that equals integral 4 to 9 y dx minus BC times CP. Since the coordinates of P equals 9, 20.5, BC equals 9 minus 4, that equals 5. CP equals y coordinate of P, that equals 20.5. Now required area equals integral 4 to 9 1 by 2x square plus 1458 x to the power minus 3 by 2 minus 74 dx minus 5 times 20.5 that equals 1 by 2 integral 4 to 9 x square plus 1458 integral 4 to 9 x to the power minus 3 by 2 minus 74 integral 4 to 9 dx minus 5 times 20.5 that equals 1 by 2 times integral of x square is x cube by 3. Limiting values 4 to 9 plus 1458 times integral of x to the power minus 3 by 2 is x to the power minus 3 by 2 plus 1 by minus 3 by 2 plus 1 that equals x to the power minus 1 by 2 by minus 1 by 2. Limiting values 4 to 9 minus 74 times integral of dx is x with limit 4 to 9 minus 102.5, that equals 1 by 6 times 9 cube minus 4 cube. Now 14585 minus 1 by 2 is minus 1458 times 2, that equals negative 2916. X to the power minus 1 by 2 means 1 by root x. In supplying limiting value, we got 1 by root 9 minus 1 by root 4 minus 74 times 9 minus 4 minus 102.5, that equals 226.8 minus 102.5, that equals 124.3.